Here in my dank forest, I've seen it all, from dank gnome childs to malicious Milky's, but that's just skimming the surface. Follow me on a dank journey, deeper into MilkyJ's dirty jungle.
Tell me where to go, I just need to know. Even in a crowded room, I still feel alone. Save me from this nightmare. I can't do it by myself.
Crikey, take a look at what we have here. Wow, that's one milky looking mammal. Minty fresh. Quite a common mammal in my dank forest, but it looks like we should let this guy go. Oh.
I let my head hang down like bug. I don't wanna see no bug. Say the word right down, you buzz. That's a lie, cause we know you nothing. More alive from the pit, I'm bug. He's scared of the pit, he run. If you ever see me at a function, know when lives change, I ain't there for no hundred. I think you better.
Sweet cream, a milk snake. This sweet serpent likes to sip cream from the sweet stream back here. But I think it's time we slither on out before he slides on move on us.
Lately it's been pitch black in my mind. Dark times where the lies thrive and the truth dies. 2020 and we're still blind. Bullshit news in the world's life.
So, you want to catch creamy crayfish like a boss, eh? Like a pro? Follow these simple tips and you'll be catching crayfish with a net. Find a nice, dank, shallow pool here. All you gotta do, kick up a little rock and swoop in for the kill. I know where they are. Here we go. We got a big one down here. Whoa! Oh, what a score. Let's take a look-see at what we got here. Oh. What a cream-alicious crab. Boil a pot of these up and you've got the creme de la creme of the forest dinner. So this concludes our episode of MilkyJ's Nature Walk. Moral of the story is, if you love something, let it go. The crayfish didn't come back, so he didn't love us. Stay milky, boys and girls. This is MilkyJ signing off.
What the fuck happened to a real dream? Ain't shit to do out here, just smoke and drive. Smoke and drive, smoke and drive, smoke and drive, smoke and drive, smoke and drive. Ain't shit to do out here, just smoke and drive. Smoke and drive, smoke and drive, smoke and drive, smoke and drive, smoke and drive. Ain't shit to do out here, just smoke and drive. Every day